Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll be talking about the task OS 15, that is file input and output in C programming. So we'll be solving the task, the mandatory task, and as well as I will give you the solutions to the quiz as well. And please do me a favor to try and subscribe to the channel, and also like the video to encourage me to do more, as well as the video to get to other people as well. Thank you very much. So today's task is, well, we have some questions. We have in the quiz we have about 15 questions. So I will just try and give you the answers to the question. This is the answer to the first question. So you can just find this and mark from your quiz session there. This is for the answers to question serial number 1. This then the answers to question number 2. Question number 3 is the read only file. Then the question number 4 is the read and write. That's the answer. This is write only, create and append. So write a file and then create and as well as append the new lines to it. Question 6 has 3 answers, so you just try and select the right answers. Then question number 7 has just one answer, that is right. Question number 8 has 2 answers as well, executable and a system call. The question number 9 returns a negative answer, which is -1, so just mark it. Number 3, this is the answers to question number 10, which has, after making a constant, it returns this negative, returns 3. Here's for question number 11. You can just see it from there. Then question number 12 has a number of options. Question number 12 has a number of options, that is 4 answers to the question, so just mark them. This one has some little calculations for you to do to gain this answer, so I won't go into the details, but you can read about it. Try and do some research on Google and your search engine, and you will see some how it will get this answer. Then question number 13, this is the answer to question number 13, and the last question is true. So now let's go to the task. You already know what to do when it comes to the task. You have to create a new directory and in your repo, your Git hub repo, which are the low-level programming. Then this is the file name, the directory you have to create. You are expected to have a header file which name main.h, then a readme file at the root of your directory. Then put shall C. This is optional, though they can use their own, so but you can still put this there. The main file, this is what you have to use on the main file. the main file which has the prototype of all the tasks. So this is the main file. You can pause the video and follow along. If you don't get it, pause the video, type it correctly, check the positions and read the spacing and everything and get it right. And this is the push chart file. Then this is for the task 0. Let's start 0. This is what you have to input on your file. Instance 0. The task in this particular project is not much, so just about 4 tasks we are running here. This is the number 2 task. Number 2 task will happen to be serial number 1. The create file. This file is expected. Please note I put 3 dots here so that everybody will not just be copying the same thing on their file project. So you can just use your own, try and be creative so that you just give your own words here, so that you will not be, everybody will not copy the same thing. And I remember the last one as well, that is the same thing I did. Try and be creative and use your own word, read the question and understand what you are using this function for, this particular one, what is it doing, so that you can also put what the right words here. It's very important. I don't want everybody to be copying the same thing, so I want everybody to be a little bit creative and put your own input there. It's very important, because as a software engineer you should be able to know some of these little things and also know what some of these words are doing on the code you are writing, rather than just copying the same thing and putting it there. So this is a task serial number 2. These are the header files. You have to include there your description. Here. No, I left this. Let me remove it so that everybody will not still be doing the same thing. This you can just try and be creative with all these ones. Try and be creative. Try and enter your own words. Try and use your own language so that, yes, to avoid plagiarism. And it's against plagiarism to be copying people's code. Try and be creative in all these ones and put your own. You can still use the same code, but try and be creative when you need to be and do hard things. And this number 3, serial number 3, the header files, your description as usual. This is just a main file to give you run the codes. Try and be creative. So this is the function that we copy the files and replace it to another one. So just try and be creative. All the code are working. They have all been tested and working, running fine. Just try and make sure when you are writing your own code or copying your code, you copy them correctly, as well as also make sure you use Betty to check whether you have made a mistake with a trailing space and the rest, so that you will get error when you are checking your code. So this is the last mandatory task. Just try and get all the code. Thank you very much, and please do me a favor to try and subscribe to this channel and like the video. share the video with others as well. You around this program with, so that the video can get other. The essence of this video is not just to make video, is to help you solve some of the tasks. We know it's tasky trying to catch up with your other cohorts as well. So just try and share with others, encourage them, and also do try and make sure you read the necessary documentation for this task as well, so that at least you just don't solve the questions without knowing what it's about. You need to solve and read and understand as well. Thank you very much. One love.